accepting nature as they are, and really, so our granddaughter really thinks that that one is an area in the West Country that she actually goes out for a walk to pick some wild garlic, and it really comes to life.
Lovely.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for coming.
Sakau, šeštadienį nepasiliko su šeima, bet skiria mums laiko.
Kaip mano šeima Vilniui, tai...
Nes vis tiek, kad kažką tai atvyko, nes mes taip susiorganizavom lietuvės čia rasą.
Fantastiškai gerai, kad...
Umbrasienė, Minister Counselor of Embassy of Lithuania in London. So please welcome Virginia.
Thank you. Ačiū. Dziękuję. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, dear artists. For me, it's a really great privilege in Lithuania. This is a power. It's a power, and it is always beautiful and strong. And this is for me really a great privilege to, in this gathering. It is here as a neighboring countries, communities from the neighboring countries. We have rich history, sometimes not as neighbors. We have disagreements, sometimes agreements, but now we are at a similar fate after the Second World War. Even our friend fate.
Visur mumis yra pasaulio, mes norim sudalyvauti. Aš esu pasiruošusi. Mes galime ir temą galvoti, žinom, galime ir idėją. Gerai, mielai, ačiū labai.
Dėkui, labai malonu buvo susipažinti. O tu nenori tam kambariuke?
Galima.